How to fix low sound in Discord in seconds for new microphone. Go into Sounds Recordings by clicking right on the sound icon. Click on Sounds, then Recordings. Then pick your microphone properties Advanced. And then this got to be turned off there. And then you can go in pressing the wheel icon. It should appear in your Discord and you're going to voice video settings. And then you could just reset your voice settings, doesn't matter too much. And now I've done this disabled automatic gain control. I disable the noise suppression. Also disabled echo cancellation. But most likely when you fix the first thing, the microphone sound settings, it should just work as a normal microphone again. So yeah, that's about it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.